Hi, this is Craig Ferreira from Survival Strategies. Hope you're having a great day today. I wanted to go over today the subject of why consulting and training for a private practice. Why would you search these things out and why would you utilize their services? So let me give you an analogy. Let's say you're running a group or you're the CEO of a corporation. You come out of a board meeting and you're trained as a CEO and now you have to go treat a patient. Which you don't have any training for. So you arrive in the treatment room and you start to try to figure out, well, what do I do with this? And tell me about what's going on or whatever. And after a few malpractice suits, you kind of start figuring it out. Point is, you have training in your profession, but in the position of a practice owner or a CEO, there are specific tools and specific skills that you have to have in order to run and expand your group. So if you can imagine the analogy that I just mentioned occurring with yourself, where you are able to treat, and you probably do a great job at it, but then you're running around, let's say, for instance, as the owner, solving the staff's problems, trying to figure out what to do next. You don't have time to really do any planning because you're always in the treatment room. The point is you have a responsibility as the owner of that particular practice to learn the skills and the tools to lead the group effectively towards the goals that you've established for it. Now, a lot of folks don't know that there are exact management tools. They're just as specific as you have for treating a patient. So, a consulting company like my own, we are here to actually provide those skills. But what can also happen is the following. You go and you read a book, you go to a webinar, you attend a seminar, you get some aha moments, you go back to the practice, you don't have any new skill, you have some ideas. So one of the most important functions of a consulting company is interning you on the skills that you may have trained on the theory to make sure that you can apply them and get the correct type of results. Very important. It's the other half of your education, frankly. So we're here to do that for you. We've been doing it for 30 years. We'd love to have you come aboard, and the first step would be to attend a webinar. We will inform you of when that is. Have a great day.